Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like what you're interested in, please subscribe. So we recently, well, it's been a while actually at this point, we recently made it to 2k and we are on the road to 5k. I'd love to reach 5k by the end of the year, so please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But yeah, anyway, as you can see by the title, today we are trying out the new Fenty Beauty collection. So I got the two palettes, number 9 and number 10, and this is my first time trying any Fenty eyeshadows, so it's a real first impression for me. So yeah, I picked up the two eyeshadow palettes. I picked up the Miss Merlot mascara and the lip balm in Cocoa Drizzle. So those are the items that we're going to be swatching, playing with today, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on those items. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching.
I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Yeah, straight up to my face. There's something wrong when we talk. There's something wrong when we talking.
So first things first, my lips are looking crusty, so we're gonna go in with the lip balm. So basically what happened was my friend asked me to help her order this, and I am going to be unboxing and using it. So she got it in the shade Cocoa Drizzle. If it was me, I probably would have gone with, I forgot what the orange one was called. It had something to do with latte. I would have gone with that one because orange is a bit of me. But I ain't mad at it. It's not mine. I didn't pay for it. So let's see how it does. This is giving me kind of like hot chocolate vibes, but with a bit more pigment to it than hot chocolate. Which is mad to say. I mean, it's nice, it's just not really a me thing, but the texture of it is very nice. But I am a Carmex stan, so I don't think anything is going to take me away from Carmex. I love my Carmex. It smells kind of like chocolate cake. That's the smell I'm getting from it, chocolate cake. The texture of it is nice, and my friend that asked me to order this for her, she'd had this already, like the original, and she said that she loved it. So I guess it is a good lip balm, but yeah, I like it. So now on to the things that I like. So I've got the two palettes, number 9, which is money, and number 10, which is, oh, number 9 is wine. 9 wine and 10 honey. 10 money. On my days. So by chance I have the two palettes. I was actually just meant to get number 9 wine, but Harvey Nichols accidentally sent me accidentally sent me money, so lucky me, I guess. Lucky me. I never get lucky, but luck of the Irish. So I'm gonna snap them together. I've never had Fenty eyeshadow palettes before, so we're gonna see. It's gonna be an experiment, but I'm sure they're gonna be nice. It feels quite nice and weighty, but literally only how many shades? Only 6 shades. It's so pretty. I don't know why I didn't want it at first. This palette doesn't have enough depth for me. If this green was a matte, actually I would have loved it. I love that it's a shimmer too, but if there was this green as a matte and then something deeper to, you know, give me depth, I think I would have been more in love with it. But they look really pretty. I love emeralds, mossy greens. These are my kind of shades, but I don't know, I just wasn't interested in this palette to begin with. But this was calling me. This was calling me. So we're gonna go in with this today, and then if you want a video of me doing the green palette, money, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna go in with this today. So I'm gonna go quickly prime my eyes, and I'll be right back. I don't really know what look we're gonna be going for, but as the spirit leads, as my dear Juicy Queen sister always says, shout out to Estelle. So I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to be going with this look, but I'm ready. Let's go. I'm going to start off with this shade in the crease as a transition shade. Ooh, this shade is darker than I thought, but who knows? So now that that color is laid down, I'm gonna go in with this pink shimmery shade all over my lid. Gonna leave some room in the front so I can use that champagne color shade. This shade is like a beautiful cranberry. It's more of a satin shade than a shimmer, which is not really my forte. I like my intense shimmers, but this is quite nice. I'm not mad. And I'm gonna go in with the champagne here. I really like the champagne, so just gonna intensify the cranberry a little bit more. And then of course we are gonna go in with this purple for the outer V. I'm just kind of winging that out and keeping that close to the lash line. I think that is the look. And then the next thing we have is the mini mascara in the shade Miss Merlot, and I was feeling this. As soon as I saw this, I was like, yum. I like it because it's like, it's a pop of color. Yes. So yeah, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I like this because it's a subtle pop of color. So unless somebody is all up in your face, they're not really going to notice, but it just has like a little different kind of vibe to it, which I am excited to try. So I'm just going to add some of that purple shade a little bit to my lower lash line, and then we're going to put on the purple mascara, the Miss Merlot mascara. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can possibly see this a little bit better. So this is what the mascara looks like. It's so pretty. And I'm going to put that on both my upper and lower lashes. Like my false lashes are definitely going to cover it up. But actually, before I do that, let me just line my eyes. I'm not going to do a big wing or anything. I just want to have like a little bit of a line on the inner corner. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, now for the mascara. Now, I don't have the longest or fullest lashes in the world, so it's not going to be the easiest thing to see, but I really like this. I think it's so cute. So this is the finished look. I'm just going to put the gloss bomb in hot chocolate over this lip combo just to complete everything, to seal the deal. I haven't used the gloss bomb in ages and I love them. Seems like I'm running out of this. I might have to get the big size. But yeah, for my final thoughts on the collection. So for the palette that I used today, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. Like, the quality was good and everything, but the fact that the shades are somewhat lackluster for me, I don't know. Like, it's not bad, it does the job. Like, the eyes, I think the eyes look pretty good, but like for £21 for 6 shades, and 6 shades that are just very just there, I'm not sure. The mascara, I actually like the mascara. I don't think it's like, you know, mind-blowing or anything like that, but I really like it. I think it's cute for like you know, for simple makeup days and you just want like a little pizzazz to your look. Like, not that anybody else is gonna be noticing it, but just for you, you know. I do like the mascara for that. The lip balm, I don't know, it depends on how much of a Fenty stan you are and how much of a lip balm addict you are, because I do like my lip balms, but as I said, I found the one. Like, Carmex is the one for me. I don't think anything else is going to give me that Carmex vibe. So yeah, but yeah, I do like the collection. It's really cute. I like the way it complements my skin tone. I can't wait to try the green one, because I feel like the green one's gonna give me more. The green one, the shimmers in there just look a bit more, you know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Please let me know if you'd like to see me do a green, please let me know if you'd like to see me do a look with the green eyeshadow palette. And yeah, that is it for today. I'll see you in the next one.